Hello there, I'm Danny Upson from DL.
And I'm Ian Pullen from DL.
And today we're very excited to launch our latest edition of Source It, and we're focusing on world grills. Here at DL, we only want to sell to our customers the best products. Products that would deliver, that will create more and more sales for you as the butcher. So what we've done in this special edition of Source It publication, we're going to really focus on the pure range. And this logo, what it stands for is that all the ingredients that make up these products is up the most top quality ingredients. And also that pure range, what it stands for, that there's no declarable allergens, so example gluten, wheat, or any of the other sort of declarable allergens that we have to state on packaging nowadays. And also it's low in salt, it's all MSG free, phosphate free, but you know the wonderful thing about it? It doesn't compromise on flavour. It still delivers well on the counter, it's still got the lovely shine, but it's all made with natural ingredients.
We can introduce a new wheel grill today. It's called Chinatown. It's part of the Pure range. It's packed full of flavour, star anise, cinnamon and Chinese five spice. Another really good point about this product as well is no added sugar. It's made of high quality oils, which is rapeseed oil and sunflower oil that are high in omega-3. Another product we launched as well is a spice mix to go in conjunction with the Chinatown wheel grill. We've used, with the stir fry, we've just used the Chinatown wheel grill on its own, but if you want to make it really special, we've coated some wings with the Chinatown wheel grill and the spice mix, and it's really extra special. Try that. Part of the Pure range as well.
So as you can see right in front of me, I've got some wonderful products here, and all these products are made by the Pure Wheel Grills featured in our next saucer. And my colleague here, Ian, is going to talk to us all about some of these products that he's made.
For the 4 wheel grills we featured in this edition of the Sauce It, the Greek Passion, the French Garden, the Cielo Rosso, and my favourite, the actual new wheel grill, the Chinatown.
Yeah, I tell you what, Ian, these products are absolutely fantastic. Please tell us about
them. The first one we've made here is pork gyros. So we've used the Greek Passion wheel grill on this one. They are superb. Pork calzone, we've used the Cielo Rosso wheel grill on there. See how good it looks. It looks absolutely dynamite.
Cheese filling in there with tomatoes.
Yeah.
And mushrooms, and yeah, really good.
Absolutely brilliant. This one, again, one of my favourites. All my favourites, to be quite honest with you, but this one is really good. We've used chunks of rump steak, really lean rump steak there, but we've put the French Garden.
Do you know what's good about kebabs as well? They don't just sell in the summertime. They
sell
all
absolutely,
year round.
absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely, really do. But the French Garden goes extremely well with beef as well. The tarragon, the parsley, the garlic, it really absorbs it, into the current of the beef. They're absolutely superb. But my real favourite, I'm really excited about this product, is a Chinatown. The Chinatown wheel grill, and we've made a stir fry, as you can see there. The look of it, it's phenomenal, and
it does taste good.
It does taste good, yeah. I think I ate all of that myself yesterday, but it's really good. This is really going to be a winner in the shops for the customers. It's really.
So how much oil do we need to use for that?
Do you know what? This is a really good benefit of this product as well. This is why I love working with this product as well. The usage rates is only 8 to 10%, which is that's good, really low, and it just shows you
a little goes a long way.
Little goes a long way, but that just proves the quality of the product and the pureness of the product. You don't have to use a lot to cover the product and make it a really exceptional product.
Now, Truffles have been around for a very long time, and it's just taken butchers by storm, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. We've had many shops try this concept, try the idea, and to be honest with you, some shops are selling actually hundreds, of these truffles per week. Just these ones alone here, we've used how good they look to start with. But you've got the French Garden wheel grill on the outside. You've got some garlic sliceable in the centre there. Some cheese, grated cheese. We've done this one with Greek Passion. So it's a real Greek style truffle with the feta cheese, the green olives, the red onion, the black olives, so a real taste of Greece. And a Tuscany beef one there with the chimichurri sliceable and the mozzarella cheese on top there. You can create your own recipes, your own ideas. You've got the base of the truffle, and it's your truffle then as well. We've given you some ideas and tips here, but try them and get some feedback off your customers.
And also the success of this, that's such a easy product to cook, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. The easy product to make, easy product to cook. They cook quick.
And you see that on your plate.
Yes, yeah. When you see that on the plate, when that cooks and the cheese tops it, it looks really good with vegetables and the truffle. It's a real pleasure on your plate, so it's good. It's good.
And also the advice we normally give to our customers, the butchers as well, is these sort of products you sell in unit pricing.
Yeah. These truffles, we use the sliceable sauce, which is a really, really fantastic product. We've had great success right around the country with this product, just by knowing how popular they are. But how versatile, again, the sliceable sauces, we've used them in the truffles, but the real benefit of these, just pop them in the fridge. When you slice them and put them in there, when the customer cooks them, they stay solid till 55 degrees, but after 55 degrees, then they start melting.
In this new edition of Saucet, we're also going to introduce our new retail development team. And their primary sort of function is obviously to demonstrate, to showcase the Saucet concept. And that Saucet concept is showing all butchers how to use and utilise the mistaken products to produce wonderful products like this. Contact them, book your own free demonstration, and these guys will be very, very happy to help you. That's the Saucet publication. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy these products, and most importantly that it adds value to your business and your customers will love them, and also it gives you a boost of sales.